Welcome to this 10-minute full-body HIIT workout for beginners. HIIT standing for high-intensity interval training, which means short periods of intense exercise followed by a brief rest. This workout includes 5 exercises, and each exercise has 2 rounds, 20 seconds of work, and 10 seconds of rest. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, Jumping Jacks. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out while simultaneously raising your arms to shoulder height. Jump back to the starting position and repeat for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Exercise number 2, Squat and Kick. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down and then stand up, lifting one knee and kicking out with the foot. Repeat on the other side for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Exercise number 3, Push-ups. Begin in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, then push back up. Repeat for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Exercise number 4, Bicycle Crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head. Bring your elbow to your opposite knee and then alternate. Repeat for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Exercise number 5, Mountain Climbers. Begin in a plank position and alternate driving your knees towards your chest. Repeat for 20 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Well done! You made it through the workout. Repeat all 5 exercises for a second round and then cool down with some stretching. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel for more workouts.